movement Repulse Monkey, or Repulse the Monkey. Repulse Monkey is done as a stepping back movement, and it's usually used for repulsing in the martial sense, used for repulsing a certain style of movement which is like a monkey attacking. We learn to step back and use our hands to guard against any attack to the face. As an exercise, Tai Chi exercise, it's done slowly, and it really helps to move the Qi around your body. You'll notice it's a very, very strong sensation from the stepping back. So I'll show you the posture. Starts with the weight on the back leg, and then the front foot is faced forward. If the left hand is forward, if the left foot is forward, the left hand is forward, and the right hand starts with a fist underneath the elbow. You turn to the right and you open both palms up. Both palms up. As you turn to the right, using your center, both palms are up. The right hand comes to around about the ear level as you step back. When you step back with the foot placed down all in one go. Not toe heel. Toe heel. You put the whole foot back flat. As you shift the weight back, the left hand comes back and the right hand goes forward, and turn the front foot forward. So you've essentially changed from this side to that side. So we'll start again. Sitting on the back foot, left hand forward, left foot forward. Right with the fist underneath. Loosely held fist. Now here, opening as you turn to the right, both palms up. Hand to ear, whole foot to the floor. Sit back, left hand comes back, right hand goes forward. One more time. Breathing in. Palms up. Hand to ear, foot to floor. Sit back, left hand comes back, right hand goes forward. If I show you from this side, you can see that the hand comes to the hip. Starting off with the fist under elbow, turning to the right as you breathe in. Hand to ear, foot to floor. Sit back, left hand comes down to the hip, right forward. Then we repeat this movement, turning to the left, both palms up, hand to ear, foot to the floor, sit back onto the back leg, left hand forward, right to the hip. Turning to the right, both palms up, hand to ear, foot to the floor, sit back, change the hands. As you're sitting back, your weight comes to the back leg, turn the front foot forward. You can keep on doing this ad infinitum, repulsing the monkey into the distance. But you might have to turn around at some stage, especially if you're practicing indoors. But it's a good thing to do out in the open air, nice big breath in, lots of oxygen, that sort of thing. So I'll show you again. Fist under the elbow, left leg forward, left hand forward. As you turn to the right, breathing in. Hand to ear, sole of the foot to the floor, sitting back, left hand down, right forward. Turn the front foot forward as you sit back. Turn both palms up, turning to the left. Hand to ear, sole of the foot on the floor. Sit back, change the hands, turn the front foot forward. Breathing in, turn to the right, both palms up, hand to ear, foot to floor. Sitting back, the left hand down, right hand forward, turn the front foot forward. Opening as you turn, hand to ear, foot to floor. Sit back, change the hands, turn the foot forward. And then you can just turn around. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. If you run out of space, turn around. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. For the energy intention of this movement, a very good exercise is to be aware of your back. As your back should be one piece, and is where a lot of the strength of the movement comes from, when you're moving backwards, provided you're comfortable with the rest of the movement, keep your mind completely on your back. You will begin to notice, as you do this, that the arms and the legs feel very light. This is because you're beginning to support your limbs with the movement or the strength of your body. Yeah? So the back and the center play a strong part in this. So as you're sitting back onto the back leg, now become aware of the whole of your back, the thoracic region and the lumbar region together. As you're turning, concentrate on the back. As you're sitting back, keep your mind on the back. Keep your attention solely on the back. And you will begin to discover that your limbs feel light and almost empty of any tension. This is an important part of this movement, is to learn the lightness, the comfortableness of the movement.